Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time.
It was a very simple task. So the computer chooses one number randomly and then let the human player input his or her guess, and answer with correct, higher, or lower. Repeat this until correct is reached. Okay? So when correct, reply as correct in round X was homework. Okay, let's continue. So reopen the file, connect. So it was like this, right? So let's see. Luckily, we have I here, which tells us which starts from round zero. So one way is maybe you can write one here, okay, so that it starts with one. And then when after each call, okay, correct here. Okay, let's use F string here. Yeah, so we F here, correct in round I. Does this work? Hmm. Maybe should I write icon here? So this will start one, two, three. Let's run and see how it works. Yes. Okay. 8. Lower. Okay. 2. Lower. I'm surprised. 1. Correct in round 3. Good. Maybe we want exclamation mark here. Okay, let's do it again. Guess. Okay. 3. Higher. Okay. Then 9. Lower. Okay. 6. Lower. Okay. 4. Higher. 5. Oh. It's a tough one. Okay. Correct in round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. It's good. So were you able to do this? Yeah, use F string and use I starting from. Of course, you can write this way too. You can start from 0 and write I plus 1. This will give the same effect. Guess 6, higher 8, lower 7. Correct in round 3. Okay, good. Okay, let's go on to today's material. Number guessing game dealing with various inputs. So you notice that, for example, in this case, if I write, okay, 3, ah, there you encounter an error message because invalid literal for int. Okay, we mean I put 3, which is a character string, but here it's automatically try to be converted to integer, but you cannot change 3 to integer, although it is 3. So you need to check that. Ignore non-number inputs. Okay, in case you get some non-number inputs, maybe you better ignore it or make a warning. So the one way is to check if input is um let's see, is digit. This function will tell if it is digit or not. Okay, and so if it is not, maybe we can do something. One way is just ignore it, continue. So in this, if I write continue here, forget about this one and go to next loop. So let's try this. Guess FF. Good. 7, 7. Slower. Okay. G. 3. It's fine. It's fine. Or what else? Shall we stop it? Or else, of course, we can make a warning. Input in number. Okay, maybe this is more kind. Okay, 5. Input a number. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is fine. Good. Good. So what's next? Exit with X. Yeah, sometimes you want to stop the game and do the work. Okay, so exit when you put X after telling the answer. Okay, so maybe here, make one more. Let's see. Yeah, make one more if here. If input, no, the first character is X or lower, so that we don't need to worry X or upper X equals X. Then break. Else, yeah, in this case, we don't need else because it will come back. Okay, so let's see. This works. 5, input number. Okay, X. Okay, but maybe telling the answer. So maybe we can write, let's use F string. The answer was, okay, so what comes here? Ans. Let's try this. So when you're busy, you write X. The answer was 6. Good. Again, you got upper X, Z. Okay, input the number X. The answer was 5. Maybe. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. We've done this. Change upper limit to 100. Okay, 9 is too easy. So let's change this to 100. But here, maybe good thing. Here. Okay, let's change this to say 100. This seems a little more interesting. So guess. 55. Higher. Okay, 77. Too difficult, right? Higher. 95. Lower. 78. Higher. 83. Okay, this is too difficult. Takes time. Higher. Okay, 87. Lower. 83. 85. Higher. 86. We can enjoy it. Okay. Maybe 100 is too much. So maybe 50. So in that case, we can fix as maximum equals, say, 50 and put maximum here. Okay. And do the thing. Or, of course, yeah, it's even to 1,000. This is very time consuming. Maybe you can do this, of course, but I don't know. Actually, yeah, maybe 500. Higher. Okay, 750. 600. Higher, 650. You can continue this as you like. Or each time maybe you can write round something. Um, sorry. Here, of course, you can write I plus 1 to show that you are doing it many times. Okay. First guess is 666. Lower. Okay. Maybe you can enjoy it later. Okay, so homework, very easy. Tell the range in the beginning. So in case we have the upper limit is 100, guess in the range of 1 to 100 so that they can know what to input. Okay, so I hope you like it and please enjoy it as you like. And be sure to come back next time. Bye bye.